Vitema Pharmaceuticals has embarked on a transformational journey, joining forces with DY Nutrition in a groundbreaking venture. Investing over €10 million, we have expanded our manufacturing capabilities and established a cutting-edge R&D center. Our ambitious decision to produce nutritional supplements in compliance with GMP pharmaceutical standards ensures the highest quality for our consumers. Sustainability is at the core of our mission. Through the project funded by Innovation Norway, Vitema Pharmaceuticals has installed photovoltaic panels with a capacity of 0.58 megawatts, generating approximately 710 megawatt-hours annually. This significantly reduces our carbon footprint and supports environmentally friendly production of medicines and supplements. Our mission is to redefine health for future generations by combining continuous innovation with responsibility to the environment and society. Our recent green energy project, Sustain a Healthy Environment by Reducing the CO2 Impact of Our Medical Solutions, funded by EEA and Norwegian funds, is a clear example of this commitment. By implementing this project, we honor our commitment to operating in a manner that respects and protects the environment. This project was carried out with the support of grants awarded through the Norwegian Financial Mechanism 2014 to 2021 within the Romanian Energy Program. By integrating sustainability into all aspects of our operations, we aim to inspire other companies to adopt green practices, shaping the industry for a greener future. The joint venture between Vitema Pharmaceuticals and DY Nutrition Global has not only expanded production capacity and upgraded infrastructure but has also set a new standard of excellence in the nutritional supplement industry. Through our unwavering commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability, we are positioning ourselves as trusted leaders in health and nutrition. Together, we inspire other companies to adopt rigorous quality standards in supplement production and environmentally friendly practices, contributing to a greener future for all.